Hi, I'm Destiny Jewis from First Nations Foundation. I'm a proud Aboriginal, Torres Strait and South Sea Islander woman. Buying a home and becoming a homeowner can seem overwhelming. Breaking the journey into steps and taking it one step at a time can help. Look out, you've moved into your new home and settled in. You can stop thinking about your home loan, right? Well, we've got a few more tips. I'm joined by the deadly Christine Beale and Sarah Wilcox. They will both draw on their experience of buying a home. And as mobile home lending specialists from Commonwealth Bank, we're going to have a yarn about making your loan work for you. We're going to talk about managing your loan through NetBank, having a look at different options for paying your loan, and what else you can do with your loan. So Sarah and Christine, thank you, two deadly sisters. It's been lovely speaking to you about your home ownership journey. I'm really excited to hear more information.
Oh, I've had such fun chatting with you both. Thanks for having us over and having a great yarn.
Yes, thanks. It was great catching up with you.
Christine, I have a question for you. As a Commonwealth Bank customer, what is the best way to manage your home loan?
Yes, so the best way to manage your home loan is through the CommBank app. So it's very easy and very efficient to manage your home loan. So for me, I can manage my repayments, review my loan balance, and also I can change the type of loan. And also within the CommBank app, there's a spend tracker tool, which helps you manage your expenses and manage your money.
So Sarah, can you please tell me what are the other options when paying your home loan?
Yeah, really great question. So in your home loan, there are two main components inside of this. So this is the principal component and also the interest component. In order for you to manage this, you can change your repayments to suit your lifestyle. So if available to you, you can change it to a weekly repayment, a fortnightly repayment, and also monthly repayment. So for myself, I get paid fortnightly and I like to pay my loan off fortnightly.
And I also like to add to Sarah, you can set up a direct debit to help you stay more in control of your home loan, and you can set and forget.
Christine, what else can people do with their home loans?
Yes, so getting your lender to review your home loan to see how they can save you some money.
Yeah, so like Christine mentioned, we have a very centric approach here at CBA. We will keep the conversation alive with you. So we will give you a call 1 month after settlement just to make sure that the loan is still working for you if you have any additional questions, and of course see how the move went and how you are settling into the property, because it's always so exciting to hear those stories. And just to make sure if you have any questions, we're here to answer them for you. We'll also give you a courtesy call 1 year after just to make sure that the loan is still working towards your needs, because we understand after a year your personal circumstances might change, and if you have any future property goals that we may be able to help you with.
So Sarah and Christine, it's been really awesome having you over for a yarn. I've really enjoyed listening to your stories around home ownership and your journey. Are there any hints or tips or something that you came across or stumbled across that you may think is of importance to keep an eye out for?
So one tip that I would say to you is don't be afraid to ask questions. If the lender is talking to you and you don't quite understand what they're saying, ask further questions. This is what we're here for. We want to make this process as simple and easy for you and be an exciting time for you.
Christine, from your journey through home ownership, what's something that you would like to share with others that are thinking about buying a home or are going through those steps in their own home ownership journey?
Yeah, so when property hunting, just think about it's going to be your home and not anybody else's. So just not having those outside opinions. Also, I think having everything in place, so when you get handed those keys, all the weight is lifted off your shoulders and you have everything ready to go.
It was great to yarn with Sarah and Christine today and learn more about why NetBank is a useful way to manage your loan 24/7, how changing your loan repayments to be fortnightly instead of monthly can help you pay off your loan faster, and increasing your home loan for things like renovations or to consolidate other debts. For other tips and tricks, check out the other videos in this series. I've been your host, Destiny Jewis. Stay deadly and I'll see you at your place.